Audio recording for this meeting has begun.
Hello and welcome to the ASCE Student Chapter Webinar Series number 15, Why Attend the WSCL?
Hello, I'm Lori Troxel, and I'm the Faculty Advisor at Vanderbilt University.
And I'm Gerarda Shields, the Department Head at New York City College of Technology.
And we are both members of the ASCE Committee on Student Members.
Before we tell you why you should attend the WSCL, you're probably wondering what WSCL stands for. WSCL stands for the Workshop for Student Chapter Leaders. Lori, can you tell our viewers a bit about the workshop?
Sure. The WSCL is typically held in January through February each year, and it is often held in conjunction with the regional professional conferences. All the schools from these regions are invited to send their ASCE student chapter officers and future officers. The main goals of the WSCL are to strengthen your leadership skills, enhance your student chapter, and provide seminars similar to this webinar series, but with more detail and examples.
Thanks, Lori. So, why should you attend the WSCL? The WSCL is a great way to get to know the other officers in your chapter and your faculty advisor. It is also an excellent opportunity to learn more about what activities, events, and strategies are used in other student chapters. Do you need help fundraising? I bet there's another student chapter with ideas for you. The WSCL is also the perfect event for networking. Where else could you find such a large group of professional engineers to network with? Do you need speakers for your chapter meetings? Just ask. Finally, the WSCL gives you a chance to travel with little out-of-pocket expenses. ASCE also provides a $500 stipend per chapter to help with these expenses.
Thanks, Gerarda. I can't agree more. My student chapter officers return from the WSCL excited to plan for the next year.
Thank you for joining us for webinar number 15. For more information, check out the student chapter website.